accidentally created a duplicate project, or need to clean up your workspace. Let's walk through deleting a project and understand the implications. Log in, navigate to the dashboard, and open the project you want to delete. Then, find the Settings option, often in the left sidebar, possibly labeled Project Settings. In Project Settings, scroll down to find the red Delete Project button, emphasizing the finality. Clicking Delete Project triggers a confirmation pop-up. Read the warning: deleting permanently erases data, including message history, templates, and project-linked contacts. Type Delete in the field to acknowledge the irreversible nature, only if you are absolutely certain. After typing Delete, click the Delete Project button within the confirmation pop-up. You'll be redirected, and the deleted project will be gone. Aisensy may show a confirmation message before deleting. Consider exporting vital data for backup. Regularly review projects to avoid clutter. Until next time.